So yesterday and we have started about HTML tables, right? What is the purpose of the HTML tables? HTML tables are used to arrange the data on the web page, rows and columns. Yes, you want to arrange the data on the web page, rows and columns using what HTML tables. Clear? Any doubt is there? Okay. So what are the tags were completed? Same yesterday what are the tags are completed? First tag name is what? Table. Okay, ma? Table is divided into two sections. First one is what? T head. Okay, na? First one is what? T head. So first one is what? T head, right? So second one is what? T body. First one is what? T head. Second one is what? T body. So what are the table? What are the table headings are there? Table headings are always keep inside. Table headings are always keep inside T head section. Table data keep inside T body. Clear? Table is divided into two sections. Okay, na? First one is what T head. Second one is what T body. What are the table headings are there? Always keep the table headings inside T head. Okay, whatever the table data is there, always keep the table data inside of T body, Clear? Next one, you want to create the rows, right? You want to create the rows using which tag? TR tag. You want to create the table headings using which tag? TH tag. Next one, you want to create the rows using which tag? TR. You want to enter the table data using which tag? TD. Okay. Some more attributes are there. CMR. Some more attributes are there. Yesterday, what are the attributes are completed? Frame. Next one is what? Rules. Okay. Cell padding. Next one is what? Cell spacing. Next one is what? BG color. Next one. BG color. Next one is what? Background. Okay. Na? So background. Next one is what? Call span. Okay. Na? Call group. What is the purpose of the call group? Call group tag is used to combine the columns, right? Combine the columns. Okay. Today we will see some more attributes are there. Okay. Same. Online students, any doubt is there? Please respond immediately. Okay. See, table open tag is there. Table closing tag is there. So TR open tag is there. TR closing tag is there. Okay. So TH open tag is there. TH closing tag is there. Okay. So I create the single heading. I want to create the single heading only. So what is the single heading? Student marks list. Clear? Student marks list. I create the single heading only. Okay. Next one. TR open tag is the TR. Closing tag is there. TD open tag is the TD. Closing tag is there. So, okay. I want to create the one more heading. So what is the heading? First heading is what? Name, right? So second heading is what? English marks, right? Next heading is what? Telugu marks, right? So next one is what? TH, right? Science marks. Next one, TH open tag is the TH, closing tag is there. Next one is what? Maths. TH open tag is the TH, closing tag is there just as a total. Okay, we are created first heading is what? Student mark list na. Okay, na? These are internal headings, right? Both are headings na. How many heading rows are there? Two. How many heading rows are there? Two heading rows are there na. First heading row is what? Student mark list. Second, it is also heading rows na. First heading is what? Name, English, Telugu, science, total. Okay. These rows are you must keep inside which tag? T head tag. That is rule, right? T head open tag is the T head, closing tag is there. Clear, ma? What are the table headings are there? Always keep the table headings inside. Always keep the table headings inside T head part. Clear? This is what the output. By default, browser never display the borders. By default, browser never display the borders. You have to enable the borders. How to enable the borders? Border equal to 1. Border equal to 1. By default, cell by cell some space is then cell spacing equal to 0. You want to increase the space between border and content. Cell padding equal to cell padding equal to just as a 8 pixels, right? Save the program, check it. Clear? Cell padding, right? Spelling is wrong, right? Cell padding equal to 10 pixels or just as a 10 pixels. Clear? Clear? So next one. Now enter the student data. So student data, right? Where you enter the student data? T body open tag is the T body, closing tag is there. So next one, come on. T body open tag is the T body, closing tag is there. Next one, TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is the TD, open tag is the TD, closing tag is there. First enter the person name. Example, person name is Sai. Okay. Next one is what? English marks. English marks. Next one is what? Telugu marks. Okay. So next one is what? Science marks. Okay na? So science marks. Next one is what? Maths. Okay na? So latter entama same using HTML. Using HTML, you cannot perform the any calculations. Using HTML, you cannot perform the any calculations. You want to do the calculations on the web page na? You want to do the calculations on the web page, you take the support of JavaScript. You take the support of JavaScript. Okay. I created empty cell, right? For total. Okay na? How to find the total later we'll see. Clear? Any doubt is there up to? Next one. So next one is what? I want to create the one more row. I want to create the one more row. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. So next one is what? Some name. Okay na? So next one is what? English marks. Next one is what? Telugu marks. So Telugu marks. Next one is what? So next one is what? Sum. Okay na? So next one is what? Let me enter the sum marks, right? Okay now. So next one, I create the one more row. I want to create the one more row. So next one is what? Some name. Okay na? So name, English marks. Next one is what? Telugu marks. So next one is what? Science marks. So next one is what? Maths, right? Okay, save the program. Okay, heading is there. But see, Amma, second row and third row and fourth row and sixth row. How many rows are there? I mean, how many cells are there? Second row, how many cells are there? How many cells? How many cells are there, Amma? 6 cells are there. Third row, 6 cells are there. Fourth row, 6 cells are there. Fifth row, 6 cells are there. But first row having how many cells are there? Only one cell is there, na? CMR. You want to span the this heading. You want to span the this heading up to 6 columns. Spanning. Okay, na? Spanning, right? You want to span the this heading up to how many columns? 6 columns. I mean, your point of view, you want to merge the columns. You want to merge the columns. You want to merge the columns, right? For example, what is mean by merging means what, Amma? Let me open the MS Word application, better understand you. Okay. See, open the MS Word application, Amma. In the MS Word application, table option is there. Okay, na? So click on enter my insert table. Table is there, na? For example, I want to keep the big heading, Amma. I want to keep the big heading. In a row, number of cells are na? In a row, number of cells are there. Multiple cells are combined one cell. Multiple cells are combined one cell. MS Word application, they are provide one option. What is the option name is what? Merge cells. What the option name is what? Merge cells. Merge. Okay, na? What is mean by merging means what? Combine multiple cells into single cell. Same option is there in the HTML also. Same here. So combine, you want to combine multiple cells into one cell. Okay, now you want to merge the columns, right? You want to merge the columns. You want to merge the columns using which attribute? Call span attribute. Call span attribute uses it to merge the columns. Merge the columns. You want to merge the columns using which attribute? You want to merge the columns using which attribute? Call span attribute. I mean, your point of view, here single heading is there. This heading spanning up to how many columns? 6 columns. Na? Go to heading level. So go to heading level. Go to heading level. It is a heading. Na? It is what? Heading. This is heading spanning up to how many columns? 6 columns. Na? Better understand you. Same. Just I say 3. Just I say 3 example. Okay. Just I say 3. This is heading expand. I mean, this is heading spanning how many columns? 3 columns. See, 3 columns are having common heading is there. Na? Which one is common heading? Student mark list. Clear? Next one, just I say 5. This is heading spanning how many columns? So 5 columns. See. Okay. Next one is what? Our table having how many columns are there? 6 columns are there. Na? Col span equal into 6. Clear? So you want to merge the columns using which attribute? Col span attribute. By using col span attribute, you can merge the entire columns. You want to merge the columns using which attribute? Col span attribute. Col span attribute. So I tell you one more example, better understand you. For example, here two rows are there. Na? Example, 2 rows are there. Okay, na? For example, 2 rows are there. After 2 rows entama, I create the one more entama, one more row. After 2 rows, I create the one more row. TR open tag is there. For example, better understand you. Example, amma. Let me create the 2 more rows. You understand more better. Okay, na? You understand more better. Just I say, I create the one row. Okay, na? I create the one row. Change the values. Okay, in the classroom, in the table, in terms number of students are there. Na? Number of students are there. Okay, example. Okay, let me create the one more row. So, okay, TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. Enter what? Enter some name. Okay, no? Enter the some name, right? So next one is what? Okay, 85. So next one is what? 36. So next one is what? 99. So next one is what? Just I said 74. Okay, na? Okay, ma. See, first three students are in belongs to Java full stack. First 3 students are belongs to Java full stack. Okay. Next 3 students are belongs to Python full stack. First 3 members are belongs to Java full stack. Next remaining members are belongs to Python full stack. You want to make the heading na? You want to make the heading. See after 3 rows, right? After Razu, where is the Razu? Where is the Razu students? Here. After Razu, same Razu student, I want to create the one more row. TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TH open tag is there. TH closing tag is there. Make the heading. Just I say example, Java full stack students. Java full stack into students. Java full stack into students. See, heading is there. This is heading spanning how many columns? Tell me. This is heading spanning how many columns? Okay, na? 6 columns, na? Okay, by default 1 column. By default 1 column. You want to spanning this column, how many columns? 6 columns, na? Column span equal to 6. Okay, na? Here also enter here also. Go to enter after heading row. After enter heading row, I create the one more heading. TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TH open tag is the TH, closing tag is there. Just I say Python students. So Python students, right? Python students. So Python students, right? Okay. So Python full stack students are Python full stack students, right? Okay, you want to span this heading up to how many columns? 6 columns, right? Col span equal to 6. Simple. So you want to merge the columns using which attribute? Col span attribute. You want to merge the rows. Okay, na? It is okay. Next attribute name is what? Row span. Next attribute name is what? Row span. You want to merge the rows. You want to merge the rows using which attribute? Row span attribute. You want to merge the columns using which attribute? Col span attribute. You want to merge the rows using which attribute? Row span attribute. Okay. This example is okay. Any doubt is there? Okay, na? So next CMA. Next attribute name is what? Row span. Next attribute name is what? Row span. Okay. CMA. Let me create the one more table. So table open tag is the table, closing tag is there. So TR, okay, TH open tag is the TH, closing tag is there. TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. Just I say employee table. Okay, na? All are same. Just wait, amma. Just change the plan. Okay, na? Change the plan, amma. See, table open tag is the table, closing tag is there. TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. Okay. TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TH open tag is there, TH closing tag is there. Just I say just I say example front end. Just I say front end. Okay. Let me apply the attributes. Okay. Let me apply the attributes, right? I create the one row, one heading, one row, one heading. So one row, one heading, right? One row, one heading. Okay, na? So let me take the some break because both are in mixed. Okay, na? See. So next one is what in one row, one row, one heading. Okay. See, TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TD open tag is the TD, closing tag is that. Just I say HTML. Okay, na? One row, one cell only. One row, one cell. Next one. So next one is what? CSS. Next one is what? CSS. Next one is what? JavaScript. Next one is what? JavaScript. Tell me here, CMA, how many rows are there? How many rows are there? How many rows? 4 rows are there. Na? Rows, these are rows, right? How many rows are there? 4 rows are there. Na? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, na? I want to display the output in like this. See, I want to display the output in like this. Same HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these are front end, right? HTML, next one is what? CSS, next one is what? JavaScript. These are all technologies are belongs to which category? Front end. These all technologies are belongs to which category? Front end. Same. I want to display the table like this. How you do? Ila ravali. I want to display the table. This table is converted into like this. Very simple. Right? Same. I want this heading. Same. This heading spanning. How many rows? 4 rows, including first row also. Na? This heading spanning how many rows? 4 rows. Okay. Same. Go to heading row. Go to heading cell. Using which attribute? Row span equal to 4. Row span equal to 4. See, output is there. Na? Okay, ma. Next one. See, one more. See, TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. Next one, TH open tag is the TH, closing tag is there. Just I sent them Python or backend. Just I sent them backend. Just I sent them backend, right? So just I say backend, okay, na? So backend, right? So next one is what? Backend, okay, na? Heading is completed. TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TD open tag is the TD, closing tag is there. Java, okay, na? Java. So next one is what? Enter TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. Just I say Python, okay, na? So save the program, run the web page. Now tell me, this is heading spanning how many rows? 3 rows. Okay. That is what enter. That is what row span. Using which attribute? Row span. Row span equal to just I say 3 na 3. Okay. So col span means what? Columns are merging. Row span equal to rows are merging. Clear? Any doubt is there? One more example. Okay, see. So one more example. I give last example. I create the one table. Table open tag is the table. Closing tag is there. You try. For example, see. For example, see. TR open tag is the TR. Closing tag is there. TH open tag is the TH. Closing tag is there. Next one. TH open tag is the TH. Closing tag is there. Okay, na? So let me. So enter. For example, you take the Varakil. Varakil. Varakla, if you take the Varakla interma, or you take the one company, department numbers are there. Some of the employees are working in department number 10. Some of the employees are working in department number 20. Some of the employees are working in department number 30. Okay, na? See. So next one, see, TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TD open tag is the TD, closing tag is there. Person name is what enter Anu. Working which department number 10. Clear? Next one. See, TR open tag is the TR, some name is there. So next one is what entama? Some Razu, working which department amma? 10 only. Okay na? Next one, TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TD open tag is the TD, closing tag is there. So Krishna, okay na? So Krishna, so TD open tag is the TD, closing tag is there. Department number entama 10. Okay na? See, all employees are working entama just same department. All employees are working entama same department. If written entama 10, how many times amma? 3 times. Instead of entama 3 times, 1 time is enough. How you do? Come on. How you do amma? Where? So you have to remove the entama. Go to entama. See, first employee, first employee department number. First employee department number spanning to remaining employees also. Na? Okay, ma. First employee number extend to remaining employees also. Na? First have to remove the entama. Second employee number and third employee number. Clear? Okay, ma. Have to remove the second employee number and second employee department number and third employee department number. Any doubt is there? Okay, na? This is department number. This is department number spanning how many rows? See, amma, very simple, amma. Wherever common value is there, you have to use the row span or column span. Row span or column span. Okay, na? It is a common value for it is a common value for all rows, na? It is a common value for all rows. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. Okay, ma. So you go to enter my department number. You go to department number. Row span equal to 3. I mean this value spanning up to 3 rows. Okay, na? Save the program. Check it. See. Instead of enter my written enter my 3 times, 1 time is enough. Okay, ma. Here also see what is meant by call spanning means what? See once again. Any doubt is there? I will clear. TR open tag is there. TR closing tag is there. TH open tag is there. TH closing tag is there. See, ma, employee table. Okay, na? Employee table. It is a column, right? How many columns are there? 2 columns are there. No? How many columns are there, ma? 2 columns are having common column, common heading. It is a common heading, right? This is heading spanning how many columns? 2 columns. Go to enter just heading using which attribute call span equal to 2. Columns are enter one thing. Simple. Okay. So this is what enter. So 2 columns are there. See, 2 columns are having common value. Which one is common value? See, 2 columns are having which common heading is there? Na? 2 columns are having common heading is there. Na? Which one is common heading? Employee table. So here how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. It is also 1 row. 4 rows are there. Na? 4 rows are having common values there. Na? Which one is common value? 10. No. So this is what entama call span. This is what entama row span. Clear? So any doubt is there? Okay. So what is the purpose of the HTML tables? So HTML tables are used to arrange the data on the web page, rows and columns. Okay. So that is what entama one purpose. Another purpose is there. Amma. So what is the another purpose is what? Using HTML tables, create web layouts. Yes. Using HTML tables, create what? Web layouts also. Same HTML 1.02 from HTML 1.02 from HTML 1.0 to HTML 4.0. 1.0 to HTML 4.0 up to what are the web layouts are there? You have doubt. Sir, what is meant by web layout? What is meant by web layout means what? Web layout means what? Open the Amazon website. Open the Amazon website. This is what web layout. Just wait. Or open the KFC application. So open the KFC application. Open the KFC application. So these are called as web layouts. These are called as web layouts. Okay, from HTML 1.0 to up to HTML 4.0, what are the web layouts are there? What are the web layouts are there? Those layouts are created in HTML tables only. HTML 1.0 to up to HTML 4.0. What are the web layers are there? Those web layers are created by HTML tables only. Okay, now I tell you, just wait. Okay, na? Same, very simple, very simple. It is a one row, na? Just assume it is a one row, na? In a row, how many columns are there? How many columns are there? 3 columns are there. That's all. That's all, amma. So you open the any type of website or web application. You open the any type of website or web application, amma. Maximum show the information on the web page, rows and columns only. Am I correct? You open the any type of website or web application. Maximum show the information on the web page, rows and columns only. It is a one row, na? It is a one row. One row, how many columns are there, amma? 4 columns are there. How many columns are there? 4 columns are there. Okay, na? So one row, how many columns are there? 4 columns are there. You open the any type of website. You open the any type of website. So you open the any type of website. Maximum show the information on the web page, rows and columns only. Rows and columns only. For example, just I say open the Flipkart. See, it is a one row, na? Just wait, amma. It is a table, na? It is what? Table. In the table, how many rows are there? 2 rows are there, na? In the first row, how many columns are there? 3 columns are there, na? That is what table only. That is what table, amma. In the first column, add the image. In the second column, add the product description. In the third column, add what, just price details, offer details. We'll see coming days. Okay, na? We'll see coming days, how to using HTML, how to develop the Flipkart website. I tell you this complete designing. Okay, na? Now we'll see using HTML tables, create what web layers also. Using HTML tables, create what web layers also. See how to develop this website. See, here see create the row. Na? You have to create the row. Exact design is not coming, 50% design is coming. Okay, na? You want to design the exactly. You want to design the exactly. That is what bootstrap. That is what bootstrap. Okay, clear? Tell me one row, how many columns are there? One row, how many columns are there? 3 columns are there, na? Same, very simple. One row, how many columns are there, amma? 3 columns are there. Table open tag is there, table closing tag is there, na? Okay, amma? Apply the basic properties. Border equal to 1. Cell spacing equivalent, cell spacing equal to same, cell spacing equivalent, see. Cell spacing rate. Cell spacing equivalent, see. First, see, understand this one, First, you need to understand the this concept. See, one row, how many columns are there? Just wait, say this one. Okay, na? Here are one row, how many columns are there, 3 columns are there, na? First column, next one is what? Second column, next one is what, third column. Between 2 columns, space is there, na? Between 2 columns, space is there, na? Next one. You want to get the space between 2 cells using what, cell spacing? Here, it is a So it is a border. Increase the space between same border and content distance is there. Border and content distance is there. That is what cell padding. That is what cell padding. See, cell spacing equal to 8 pixels. Next one is what cell padding equal to cell padding, right? Cell padding equivalent just as a 10 pixels. Okay, na? You want to align the table center of the page, na? Align equivalent center. Align equivalent center. Table width is what table width just as a width equal to 900 pixels. Table width is what, come on? 900 pixels. Clear? Next one. Next one, CMR TR open tag is the TR, closing tag is there. TD open tag is the TD, closing tag is there. Okay, na? So how many TDs are you required? 3 TDs are required. How many TDs, amma? 3 TDs, na? How many? 3 TDs, right? First TD for one product. Second TD for second product, third TD for third product. Clear? Okay, ma. Now tell me, total table width is what, ma? Come on, total table width is what? 900 pixels, sir. Total cell width is what? Total table width is what? 900 pixels. Total table width is what? 900 pixels. Tell me, each cell width is what? I want to get the all cells are equal width. All cells are equal width. Each cell width is what? 300 pixels. Okay, ma. You have to decide each cell width. First cell width is what? 300 pixels. Next one. Second cell width is what? 300 pixels. You have to decide. Okay, na? Next one. So third cell width is what? 300 pixels. Clear? Okay, ma. So check it. Output is there. Is there a, you want to change the height, right? Set the height also, ma. Height equal to same, height equal to just as a, so height equal to just as a example, 200 pixels is enough for same. You change the any one of the row height. You change the any one of the row height. Corresponding row height is what entama? Corresponding row height is what entama? So corresponding row height is what entama? Changes, you change the any one of the row, you change the any one of the cell height, corresponding cell height also increasing. Clear? Height is what? Some more height up, just as entama 250. This is what layout only. So this is what entama layout. Okay, na? But outside border is there, na? Frame equal to just entama frame equal to wide. Vivo wide. Wide means what? Remove the border. Okay, now same outside border is there, na? Outside entama border is there. See, outside border is there, na? This is what entama border, right? Border. So you don't want to display the outside border, right? You don't want. Yesterday I told you, na, what is the purpose of the entama frame attribute? Frame attribute uses that to apply the border only table, na? Apply the border entama table. See, table around entama border is there, na? Table around entama border is there, but I am not required entama border. Okay, just you say entama frame equal to same, frame equal to wide. What is mean by wide means what? In our technologies, C, C++, Java, entama, Python, wide is one of the popular one. No written. Wide means what? Nothing written. Nothing written. Border is also not written. See, correct? Okay, ma. So now enter start the design. Clear online? See, ma, this is what the image is. How to display the image on the web page, you know. Okay, ma. How to display the image on the web page, ma. You want to display the image on the web page, HTML given which tag? IMG. IMG SRC equal to it expect what the image path. You have to copy this image path. Right click, copy image address. Copy image address. Okay, you have to paste it. Okay, ma. Save the program, check it. Okay, so next one is what entama? Go to entama second image. Let me add the all images first. Go to second image. Go to second cell, add the second image, amma. IMG. Okay, IMG. So next one is what? Right click, copy image address, entama, check it. Okay, next one is what entama? Go to third cell. Go to third cell. Go to third cell. IMG. IMG. SRC equal to right click, copy image address. Copy image address. Next one is what entama? Paste it. Save the program. Check it, amma. See, proper output is not coming up. Say, ma, proper output is not coming up. Okay, ma. Why, ma? Image width bigger than cell width. Image width bigger than entama cell width. Image width bigger than entama cell width. Tell me what is the entama cell width is what cell width is what? 300 pixels na. Image width also become 300 pixels na. Image width also become entama 300 pixels. Okay. Some of the people are entama they are written like this width equal to 300 pixels. It is also correct. It is also entama correct. See, it is also entama correct, right? It is also entama correct. Say next one is what? Again, image width also entama width equal to 300 pixels. Width equal to 300 pixels. Next one is what? Width equal to 300 pixels. Save the program, check it. Is there a It is a correct amma. Next one say, but here what is the problem with intama pixels? What is the problem with intama pixels? Say amma. Okay, present celebrity is what intama 300 pixels. Later you change the value 300 pixels to 500 pixels. 300 pixels to 500 pixels. Here also change the value. Am I right? Here also change the value. It is a time waste. It is what entama time waste. See amma. Tell me here entama TD is a parent element. TD is a parent element. Okay, ma? This parent element entama having one child is there. It is what entama child element. This is what entama child element. This is what entama parent element. So child element always follows entama parent element with. Am I correct? In our family, all members are entama going whose rules amma parent rules are like that entama. Here TD is a parent. It is a parent. IMG is a child. Okay. Present celebrity is what 300 pixels na. Image with also adjusted to 300 pixels. In case entama celebrity 500 is there na. Image with also adjusted to 500 pixels. That is what responsive. So that is what responsive. What is mean by responsive means what responsive means what it follows entama parent width. How to create the responsive images you want to create the responsive images same very important one, just use a 100%. Clear? 100% means what it takes what parent width. Present what is the parent width 300, image width also become 300. Later you change the width 500, image width is what 500, image with cell width is what 500, image width also 500. Clear? So it is entama correct. Okay na? Here entama just width equal entama 100 pixels. Okay? So 100%, right? Width equal to don't say entama 100 pixels, 100%, right? Same output is there na? Same output is there na? So next one is what next one is what? It is a heading na? It is what heading. How to create the heading below image you want to create the heading, right? What is the 6th level heading how to create the least heading using which tag H6 using which tag H6 heading is there na? Heading is there na? Okay, very small heading is there. Just I say H4 open tag is there, H4 closing tag is there. Okay. So next one is what next one. This is what non-veg, right? Say non-veg, right? But color is changed up. Font open tag is there, font closing tag is there. How you change that? See, text color is what light gray color is there. See, which color is there? Gray color is there na. How you change the color you want to change the any text color, that text keep inside which tag font tag. Use the attribute. What the attribute name is what? Color equal to gray. Color equal to gray. GREY gray. Gray color is there. Okay na? So next one is what next one. You know this tag. What is this one tag na? Within bold text is there na? Within bold text is there. So look first let me create the one p tag. Okay na? P tag first how to apply the bold text you want to apply the bold text. B open tag is there, B closing tag is there. B for bold. Clear? B for bold. Next one, you want to cancel the price na? You want to cancel the price using which tag strike tag. Strike open tag is there. Strike open tag is the strike STRIK, right? Strike open tag is the strike closing tag is there. So next one is what? Same 905 905 and dot 00. Okay na? Same output is there na? But you want to display the currency symbol, right? Same later I tell you how to add the currency symbol you want to add the currency symbol. HTML provide what entities. HTML provide what entities. Okay. What is the entity of currency symbol? And has A377 semicolon. It gives what it gives it is an entity. This entity it gives what Indian currency symbol. See, Indian currency symbol is there and has same and has A377 semicolon means what It gives what? Currency symbol. It gives what? Currency symbol. Clear, amma? Okay. Next one. This is what offer price rate. Same. Next one. But change the text color. Again, font to open tag is there. Font to closing tag is there. Okay, na? You want to change the text color, right? Color equal to just as a dark red. Just as a dark red. Exact color is coming, amma. But entama no red. Just as entama red. Red color is there. Okay. You want to apply the bold text also, na? You want to apply the bold text also. B open tag is there. B closing tag is there. End has A377 semicolon. Okay, na? Red symbol is there. What is the price is what, amma? 714. Okay. Save the program. Check it. Okay, na? So two currency symbols are there, na? You have to remove one. Clear, amma? Clear. Any doubt is there? So next one is what, amma? Next one. So next one is what, entama? See, next option is what, entama? It is a paragraph, right? It is what? Paragraph. How to create the paragraph on the web page? You want to create the paragraphs on the web page. P open tag is there. P closing tag is there. So next one is what? Copy and paste. Okay. So save the program. Check it, amma. Output is there. See. Okay. So you want to create the button. You want to change the font style. No? You want to change the font style. See, amma. Font to open tag is there. Font to open tag is there. Font to closing tag is there. You want to change the font style using which attribute? Face na. Face just as entama Arial. ARIAL. Okay, na? You want to change the font style using which attribute, amma? Face attribute, na? If you don't know font names, amma, you do what, amma? Open the notepad application, format to font. Format to font. Here number of font styles are there. You can copy the any font and apply here. See, apply here, amma. Just as some font. Okay, na? Save the program, check it. Font style is what, entama changing. Clear? Next one. So next one is what, entama button. Next one is what? Button. So how to create the button, amma? You want to create the button. I create the one paragraph. Same button, open tag is there, button, closing tag is there. Later I tell you, just wait. Okay, na? Button, open tag is there, button, closing tag is there. Button name is what? Add to cart. Exact design is not coming, amma. Just 50% entama coming. See. Using HTML entama, just add the content. Using HTML add what entama content. What is the purpose of the entama CSS and Bootstrap? Same. If you use the CSS and Bootstrap, if you use, I tell you entama this designing. I tell you this designing in the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Finally, you have to decide entama which one is entama easy. So finally, you have to decide entama which one is easy, amma. Bootstrap is what entama easy. Bootstrap is what entama easy. So Bootstrap, right? Same. In the Bootstrap, exact design is coming. Where is the option, amma? Some option is there. Here. Some batches there, amma. Already developed cards. KFC. Yes. Okay, na? Here exact. Okay, exact design is there. Okay, na? This is what entama Bootstrap. In the Bootstrap entama just same exact entama KFC application is there, na? KFC application is there. Exact entama output is coming. Okay, if you use the Bootstrap entama, use the HTML or CSS Bootstrap, exact entama design is coming. Where is the this one? I think entama this one. This one. Okay, same designing is there, na? Okay, but entama just in the HTML 50% entama design is coming. Okay, na? What is the purpose of the entama HTML? Using HTML just to add the content on the web page. Okay. In this way, we will create what entama web layouts. You want to create the web layouts on the web page using what HTML only. Okay, na? So can I copy? Any doubt is there up to? Any doubt is there, amma? Next one, can I copy? Okay, just I copy and paste to entama, remaining entama just to So remaining entama just images also. You have to change the content. You have to change the content. See, okay, na? You have to change the content. Okay. Any doubt is there up to? Okay. In this way, we are created what entama web layouts. You want to create the web layouts on the web page using what HTML tables. Okay. So any online students, okay, ma? Online. So can I go next topic? So next concept is what, amma? So next concept is what? What are the tags are were completed? Heading tags are completed. Okay. Paragraph tags are completed. Image tag is completed. Market tag is completed. So next one is what? Table tags are completed. Okay. Next concept is what, amma? HTML entities. HTML entities. HTML entities, right? What is the purpose of the HTML entities? It is also one of the important concept, right? So what is the purpose of the HTML entities, Amma? See, HTML entities, right? Next concept is what? HTML entities. Okay, same one. HTML entities. HTML entities are HTML entities are uses to HTML entities are uses to HTML entities are uses to adding the entama symbols special symbols on the web page. Yes, special symbols on the web page. What is anybody asking? What is the purpose of the HTML entities? HTML entities are used to adding the special symbols on the web page. You want to add the special symbols on the web page. You want to adding the special symbols on the web page using what entama entities. HTML entities are used to adding the special symbols on the web page using what entities. You have doubt, sir. What is meant by special symbols? Okay, what is meant by special symbols? For example, you open the entama just WhatsApp. This type of entama images are there. These are called as entama. ఏమంటాం వీటిని? You know already. These are called as emojis. These are called as entama emojis. How to add the emojis on the web page? How to add the emojis on the web page? Using HTML only. Using HTML only. Okay, now. So what is meant by special symbols means what? Let me open the one real-time application. For example, Intel processor. Intel entama just wait. Intel processor. Some website is coming. You open this website. Here R symbol is there. R means what? Register. R means what? Register. This symbol is there on your keyboard. This symbol is available on the keyboard. No. TM means what? Trademark. This symbol is available on your keyboard. No. Okay. Next one. Go to bottom of the page. C is there. C means what? Corporate. Corporate symbol is there on your keyboard. No. Mar how they are added enter these symbols on the web page? Entities only. Okay. Next one is what? Open the Amazon website. You open the not only Amazon, you open the any e-commerce website. Here currency symbol is there. Currency symbol, right? Previously we added a currency symbol is there. How to add the currency symbol? How to add the currency symbol? Entities only. Entities only. HTML entities are used to adding the special symbols on the web page. You want to adding the special symbols on the web page using what? Entities. Using what? Entities. Okay. But HTML entities are divided into two types. HTML entities are divided into two types. HTML entities are divided into two types. First one is what? Character entities. First one is what? Character entities. First one is what? Character entities. The second one is what? Number entities. HTML entities are classified into two types. So first one is what? Character entities. So second one is what? Number entities. First one is what? Character entities. Second one is what? Number entities. Okay. Two more entry questions are there on this concept. two interview questions are coming. Okay. See, what are the interview questions are coming? See. Okay, ma. See, first we will see character entities. Character entities. What is meant by character entities means what? See, ma, character entities means what? You want to add the one special symbols on the web page. You want to add the one special symbols on the web page. You have to type the character. You have to type that character. Okay. How? See, ma, very simple. You want to display the copyright symbol. Okay, na? See, first day I told what what is the purpose of the HTML tags? HTML tags are used to adding the information on the web page, right? Adding the information on the web page. Without without HTML tags adding the information. Without HTML tags also, without HTML tags also adding the information on the web page. That is what it is. That is what entities. For example, you want to add the copyright symbol on the web page. You want to add the copyright symbol on the web page. Just you say enter where you want to display the copyright symbol. Where you want to display the copyright symbol. That place enter. You have to type like this. And the copy semicolon. And the copy semicolon. It gives what copyright symbol. See. Simple. Okay. You want to display the trademark symbol. Just you say trade. Just you say trade. Trademark symbol is there. CMR. Okay. You want to display what enter REG. REG means what register symbol is there. Register symbol is there. You want to display the dollar symbol. Just you say and dollar and dollar. Dollar symbol is there. See. Okay, ma. Okay, you want to display the enter you want to display the some sigma symbol, right? Sigma. Just you say and some sigma symbol is there. Sigma symbol is there. For example, today you take the weather applications are there. No? You know weather applications. Today temperature is what enter example. Today temperature is what enter 20 degrees. So example, today temperature is what enter 20 degrees. You want to display the degrees value. Na? You want to display the degrees value, right? Same 20. After 20, you want to display the degrees value. Na? Just you say and D is semicolon. And D is semicolon. And D is semicolon means what? Degree symbol is there. See. Okay, ma. So degree symbol is there. Okay. So next one is what you want to display the less than symbol. Less than. You want to display the less than symbol and LT semicolon. And LT semicolon. Less than symbol is there. Is there a okay, ma? You want to display the enter greater than symbol. You want to display the greater than symbol enter just and GT semicolon and GT semicolon. So greater than symbol is there. Okay, ma. Next one. So now you tell me, first. Now you tell me. For example, I want to enter written Microsoft. I want to write the Microsoft. Micro is a one word. No? Micro is a one word. So word by word enter word by word. You want to get the space, right? Word by word. You want to get the space on the keyboard. Enter on the keyboard. You have to press the which key? Space bar. Okay, na? When you press on space bar, it gives how many character space? Only one character space. Na? You press on enter space bar on the keyboard 10 times. It gives how many character space? 10 character space. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, na? Just I say enter soft. Just I say enter soft. I mean, intentionally I take the more space between two words. Intentionally I take the more space between two words. Okay, na? Check it. Your browser does not recognize. Okay, na? Your browser does not recognize. Recognize chedamma. It takes one character space only. Check it correct or not. See, intentionally you take the more space. Intentionally you take the more space, but your browser does not recognize. Okay. If we go to interview, they're asking. If we go to interview, they're asking how to add the blank space on the web page. It is a first interview question. How to add the blank space. Blank space on the web page. How to add the blank space on the web page. This is what first interview question. How to add the blank space on the web page. You want to add the blank space on the web page. They are provided entity. They are provided what entity. So what is the entity name is what NBSP. NBSP. NBSP means what N means what non. N means what non. B means what break. SP means what space. Non break space. Non-break ఏంటమ్మా spacing or non-break ఏంటమ్మా spacing. Same it gives ఏంటమ్మా it gives what ఏంటమ్మా one character space. It gives what ఏంటమ్మా one character space. It gives what ఏంటమ్మా one character space. It gives one character space. You need 10 character space na. It gives one character space amma. You need 10 character space na. You have to type the NBSP 10 times. Okay na? NBSP, it gives how many character space? It gives only one character space. Check it correct or not? Same. Check it where you want to display the blank space and NBSP. NBSP amma. NBSP. It gives one character space. See, more space is then you need how many character space? 30 many times again NBSP. Again NBSP. NBSP. Again NBSP. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Already one character space is then 5 character space is coming. Same. Okay now. Okay. So space is there now. In this way, we are at the blank space on the web page. It is the first interview question. So second interview question is what second interview question is what? How to print the tag name on the web page. How to print the tag name on the web page. How to print the tag name on the web page amma. How to print the tag name on the web page. It is a secondary question. Adhamayinda? Example amma, I want to develop the one just tutorial website. I want to develop the one tutorial website amma. I want to print the HTML program on the web page. I want to print the HTML program. HTML program రావాలి కదమ్మా. How to print the tag name on the web page. Tag name. Okay. Your answer is what? Sir, you've written like this. Okay na? How entama? For example, head to open tag is there. Head entama? Closing tag is there. Okay na? Head tag and rasanu. Clear amma? Head end rasanamma. Tag and rasanu. Okay na? Check it. Which output is there amma? I want to put the one heading amma. I want to put the one heading on the web page. Which heading? Head tag. Head tag and rasamu. Okay. But say check it. Same. Where is the head amma? Only tag is there. Where is the head? Where is the head? Head is missing. Head is missing. See, head is what missing. Tag is there. Only tag is there. Why amma? Tell me. Entama, you written the HTML program. Body is printing. Body is printing. No. Head is printing. No. HTML is printing. No. Browser never print the headings on the web page. I mean, browser never print the tags on the web page. Your browser never print the tags on the web page. It is also tag. Na? It is also tag. Browser never print the tags on the web page. Browser never print the tags on the web page. But you written the internet tag. Tags are not printing. Correct? Correct kadamma. Mari if we go to interview, they want print the heading. Print the tag name. Print what tag name ni print cheyamantunnaru. It is one of the popular interview question. How to print the tag name on the web page amma? So you want to print the tag name on the web page. Add the less than symbol, greater than symbol physical ga. Add the less than symbol greater than symbol physically. Physical ga mana less than symbol, greater than symbol add cheyali. Already know how to get the less than symbol comma. Okay, na? And LT semicolon. Less than is there, na? Next one is what entama? And entama. And GT semicolon. It looks entama. Head tag na. Problem is solved kadama. Okay, na? For example, see, we open the W3C website amma. In the W3C website, sama 100. You take the any entama tutorial website, sama. You take the any tutorial website entama. Here tag name is there. H1 tag is there. See, on the web page tag is printing. Printing kadamma. For example, you've written like this. Our web page, you've written like this, amma. What happens, amma? Only out text is printing, na? Only text is what, amma? Printing. See. But tags not there. But open the W3C website, amma, headings tags also printing. It is one of the most popular entry question. How to print the tag names on the web page? You want to print the tag names on the web page? You have to enter just enter put the enter tag name between enter angle brackets. LT means what, less than. GT means what, greater than. Clear? Okay, ma. Here also less than symbol is there, na? And LT and LT semicolon and enter GT semicolon. Greater than symbol is there. See, is there, ma? H1 enter H1 enter H1 open tag is there. H1 closing tag is there. My first heading. Same output is there. See, paragraph. You want to print the paragraph, na? You want to enter print the paragraph. See. How to print the paragraph, amma? See, you've written like this. Browser point of view, it is a tag. Tags are not printing. It is a correct. But I want to print the tag names also. Okay. You want to print the tag names also. You have to print the less than symbol and P is there, na? P. P character keep inside entama angle brackets. Okay, ma. P tag entama P character is there, na? P character keep inside entama angle brackets. You know angle brackets means what? Less than and greater than. LT means what, amma? Less than. GT means what, amma? Greater than. Save the program, check it. See, output is there. Okay. So this is what entama, how to print the tag names on the web page. In this way, print the entama tag names on the web page. So it is one of the most popular entry question. Okay. You can print any tag, amma. You can print entama any tag, no problem. Body. Okay. So and LT semicolon. Online students, just wait. Hello. Hello. Okay, same. So you want to print the body now? Body open tag is there, body closing tag is there, and the GT. GT means what? Greater than. Same. Body is there now. So you want to print the any tag name on the web page using what entama just entities. Okay, these are called as entama entities. But in the HTML, how many entities are there? Thousands of entities are there. Thousands of entities are there. No need to remember all entity names. No need to remember all entity names. Copy paste only. Okay. Copy paste only. This is what the character entities. What is about number entities? Same. What is about number entities? Same. Number entities. Okay. For example, same. You want to display the Indian currency symbol and has A377 semicolon. It gives what entama Indian currency symbol. See, rupees is then. Okay, ma. See, ma. Here I given some code is there, ma. You change the last digit, ma. You change the last digit. You change the last digit. Corresponding symbols are coming. Corresponding entama symbols are entama coming. See, corresponding symbols are coming. Same, ma. Okay, na. But thousands of entities are there, amma. No need to remember. Okay, na? Thousands of entities are there. You do what, amma? Go to just Google. You type out HTML entities. HTML entities. Go to Google, type out HTML entities, amma. Here HTML character entities are there, na? Okay, website is there, amma. Number of entities are there. They are given in table also. See. result, description, name. Next one is what number. This is, you want to add the less than symbol, same. You want to add the less than symbol. What is the entity name? LT. Entity name is what? LT. Entity number is what? ND has a 160. ND has a sorry, 60. ND has a 60 means what? Less than symbol is there. See, less than symbol is there. Okay, ma. So you want, okay, like this entama copy paste only. You want to display the copyright symbol. Entity name is what and copy. Entity number is what and has a 169. And has a 169. Copyright symbol is there. Clear? You want to add the emojis, same left side online students. See, left side entama just emojis are there. Emojis are there na? Just you click on emojis link, number of emojis are there. Copy paste only amma. Just copy the code, whatever application entama, paste. Okay. So next one is what? Copy the code, entama. Next one is what? Entama, paste. Next one, copy the code. Next one is what? Entama, paste. Next one, copy the code. Next one is what? Entama, paste. Number of entities are there. Save the program, check it. Same up. See. Okay. So not only these come to down, see, animals are there, transport symbols are there. Okay, ma. Next one is what? Office related emojis are there. Next one is what? Animals are there. Just click on animals. Okay. Number of animals are there. See. Okay. You click on, you want to add the rabbit symbol. Just you click on try it. Okay. Na? Click on try it. So copy the code and paste it. Paste it, very simple amma. You change the last digit amma. You change the last digit, right? You change the last digit, it gives what entama corresponding code. It gives what entama corresponding code is there. I mean corresponding entama symbols are coming. You change the last digit amma, corresponding symbols are coming. See? Okay. So number of entities are there. Thousands of entities are there. See? Flowers. Okay, you want to add the planets, same planets, see, number of symbols are there. Okay, just enter just you add the some symbol. Okay, just click on enter, copy the code. Next one is what? Enter, paste. So Control C for copy, Control V for enter, paste. You change the last digit only, just 99. Next one is what? Enter, 100. Okay, next one is what? Enter, 101. So next one is what? 102. Okay. In case entama, you've written any unknown entity, unknown number. You've written any unknown number, it shows what box. You've written any unknown number, it shows what box. Okay, no box, empty box is coming. See? Okay, this type of symbols are coming. Okay, no? There is no entity. Okay, no? Okay, no? So number of symbols are there. See? With the emojis here. So 800, see 800, right? And end has 800. See, save the program, check it. Okay, 800 ichcharu. Okay. So next one is what? 801. Okay, na? So next one is what? 802. Okay, na? Save the program, check it. Number of symbols are there. See, this is what? HTML entities. HTML entities are used to add the special symbols on the web page. Okay. So online students, any doubt is there? Okay. So tomorrow we will see remaining. Okay, now online. Okay.